In this video, we're going to be looking at multiples and common multiples. The multiples of a number are those numbers that are in its times tables. Let's have a look at the number 3. The first multiple of 3 is 3. This is because 1 times 3 gives 3. The second one would be 6 because 2 times 3 gives 6. And the third one would be 9 because 3 times 3 gives 9. Let's have a look at 15. The first multiple of 15 would be 15. This is because 1 times 15 gives 15. The second one would be 30 because 2 times 15 gives 30. And the third one would be 45 because 3 times 15 gives 45. I would like you to try this question. What are the first 3 multiples of the following numbers, 5, 20, and 27? Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Okay, let's have a look at the first one. The first one will have 5, 10, and 15. The second one would have 20, 40, 60. And the third one will have 27, 54, and 81. Okay, let's have a look at common multiples. The question is asking us for the first 3 common multiples of 10 and 20. Okay, let's start off by writing out a few multiples. Okay, let's do the same for 20. Okay, when we're talking about common multiples, we're talking about multiples that occur in both of the given numbers. Here we can see that 20 and 20 occurs in both of them, 40 and 40 occurs in both of them, and 60 and 60 occurs in both of them. So the first 3 common multiples of 10 and 20 is 20, 40, and 60. I would like you to try this question. What are the first 3 common multiples of 3, 4, and 12? Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Okay, let's see how we can do this question. Here are some of the multiples of 3. Here are some of the multiples of 4. And here are some of the multiples of 12. The first common multiple of these 3 numbers is 12. The next one is 24. And the next one is 36. Your answer should be 12, 24, 36. Hopefully you are confident in multiples and common multiples. If this video helped you out, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.